Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1959 Volkswagen Beetle. Great car, guys. It's out of North Carolina. It's got a couple thousand miles on a complete body-up restoration. It's finished in a bright blue metallic. It's got a off-white or parchment interior. Upgraded motor. It's got a 1600cc dual port engine in it, 4-speed trans. Man, just a neat car. We bought one of these here about 6 months ago. Had so much luck with it that, and I think they're cool. I just like them. I think I'm gonna start buying a few of these things, man. They're super cool. I know Leroy loves the rat rod bugs. I don't like them like that. I like them like this. It's got teak wood luggage rack on it. You see, it's got steel wheels with the V-dub caps. Very cool car. Runs and drives excellent. When a buddy of mine actually, we bought this car, I drove it probably 15-20 miles to the place we had to store it until I could actually get it picked up. Good car. The semi-4 turn signals work on it, which are super cool. Car's real clean, good solid body. We got some good pictures of the car underneath. There's a couple little touch-up marks on it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick though. Nice car, really nice car. I like the color combo. Chrome and stainless on the car is really nice. A little bit different horsepower bracket than most of the stuff we mess with, though, I gotta tell you. But this does have the upgraded motor, so the car will roll down the highway, down the E-way. You see it's got the tempered glass in it. Neat car, really neat car. Bumpers and stuff are nice on the car. Yeah, nice and flat down the sides. They're great little investment pieces, man. People love these cars. We've had about three of them. I think we've had 3 of these in the last year or so, and people love them. Of course, everybody loves the vans. They're really tough to get. Tried to buy a I think it's called a camper special about a year ago. Just couldn't get the job done on that. It's got the old bias ply white wall spare in it, factory jack. Just a neat car. Yeah, you can go ahead and put that down, Jay. Interior's nice. Sorry guys, a little dust in there. Again, the semi-4s do work. Bucket seats. Floor shifter. 2484 on your odometer there. Stock radio. Just got the little Beetle bug mats in it. Dual exhaust. Again, it's a, go ahead Jay, you can open that up. 1600cc dual port engine in it. So it's got the later model engine. Okay. Yeah. A little bit different when the engine's in the rear. We don't get too many of those. Yeah, we got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the car for you. Floors are clean. I tell you, these things draw a ton of attraction. I will tell you that, man. They're conversation pieces for sure. You just jump this thing and drive it down the road or go put some gas in it, and people love talking about them. See some cracks in the steering wheel. Little basket's cool. Go ahead and go through the front lights, Jay. Might as well do it while we're up here. Turn your, yeah, parking lights work. See the little semaphores? Yep, go ahead. That's super cool, man. I think that's such a cool option on this car. Speedo does work, right? Yeah. Yep. Thought I remembered it working. Those turn signals on again. Those are neat as heck. No. Radio. They open in there?
Yep.
Put that on, Jay. It's so cool how those work, man. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a cool car, man. If you don't like the luggage rack, it comes off really easy too, guys. I mean, we had it off and put it back on in a couple of minutes. Have a great day, guys.